Hello to all my gardening friends. Jeff here, and today I'm at West Seattle Nursery. I'm looking for some flowers. I'm going to put together some containers, and I love to support local business. Hey, they've got a great selection here. Let's go see what we can find. Oftentimes when you walk into a nursery, you might feel a little overwhelmed. There's so many great choices. One of the things to consider is, where will your container be located? Is it going to be in a sunny area or in a more shaded condition? We're going to put together 2 pots today. Let's talk about the sunny plants. Now what I've chosen for this container, our thriller is going to be this beautiful salvia, and it's going to come alongside this beautiful red zinnia. For our mid-sized plants, I've chosen marigold and a purple petunia. For our spiller, we're going to bring in Bacopa. You always have to have a little touch of white, and red verbena to make it pop. Don't let it surprise you that there are a lot of shade-loving plants with bright, colorful flowers. Begonias, coleus, and impatiens, just to name a few. Utilize a variety of colorful plants to brighten up your shady spaces. Super, thanks so much. I've got my shade-loving plants, and I'm excited to go home and plant these up. Okay, now the fun begins. Well, I'll tell you, I love to go shopping for plants. Get your garden gloves and get ready. The first thing you've got to do is, you've got to get yourself some potting mix. Now, I would recommend a good all-purpose potting mix. I've already put my container together, so let me get it. Let's pot up the plants that enjoy sunshine first. This is that gorgeous salvia that gets a little tall and has that beautiful blue spike. When you take it out of the pot, see how the roots go like that? You want to just loosen up the soil just a little bit. We're going to put him right here on the side because he's going to have a companion plant, the red colored zinnia. Oh my gosh, I love red. See all those roots? Just loosen those up just a little bit like that. Put them right in there next to the salvia. They are the dynamic duo. Now, coming alongside, I've chosen this gorgeous little purple variegated petunia. So we're going to put that right in the front because this is more of a trailing variety of petunia. And then, to brighten it up, how about a little yellow marigold right in the front? These are the mid-sized plants, the fillers. Now some spillers. This is Bacopa, and look at how that brightens it up. See the color? Now let's continue our red with a spiller, this beautiful little verbena. Put this right here on the side like this. Oh my gosh, that is going to be amazing. So we have one little yellow marigold and another beautiful little orangey colored marigold. Let's put in some Sanvitalia right in the front next to the Bacopa. It's another spiller, and look at how that just brightens that up. One thing that I recommend after you've put your potting soil in your container, give it just a little bit of all-purpose fertilizer. The thing of it is that containers, as you water them through the summer, a lot of the nutrition, the fertilizer, leaches out. And so you need to replace that. So as you go through the summer, you might want to come back with a foliar fertilizing application. Okay, now we're going to pot up our shaded plants that enjoy shade. And for our thriller, we're going to use this beautiful variegated coleus. We're going to stick him right in the back like that because it's going to get maybe 18 inches tall. I thought as a fun plant, a companion plant to our coleus, the black mondo grass, and I love the botanical name Ophiopogon Plantascapus nigrescens. Now that is a mouthful. Look at the difference in texture. That's just going to be fun. Now let's put this tuberous begonia in here to kind of come around the side of the black mondo grass. Give it a little bit of a highlight. Oh boy, it's coming together. In the front, we're going to put a orangey colored impatient like this, and that will fill in the whole container. And then to help the front pop, let's put in this yellow colored coleus. One of the things that I really like about impatiens is that the flowers are self-cleaning. That means once the flower is spent, it'll fall off and a new flower will emerge and take its place. Now, you can make this go a little quicker. If you take your garden hose and just lightly spray it with some water, it'll knock off those old blossoms and the new flower will emerge and it will present a lot nicer. In container gardening, your choice of plant material is very important, but don't forget the container itself. What kind of container do you want? Something with bright colors, perhaps more muted, or a container with texture? Or how about just whimsical, like this little bunny rabbit? And don't be afraid to think outside the box. Here's my little ceramic seashell container, complete with seashells right from the beach, with hens and chicks, some sedums and sempervivum. Just about anything can be a container for your garden. Let your creativity run wild. I love container gardening using dwarf conifers, and I've also placed some heather, some black mondo grass, some hens and chicks, the sempervivum, and this creates a miniature landscape. Whether you're a beginner or a potting pro, I hope you enjoyed spending the afternoon with me, shopping and putting all of these plants together. Let's do it again sometime. Thanks so much.